Alright guys, today we're going to be making some Spanish rice with chicken. So let's get started here. We got our pan on, and we're going to use a tomato bouillon cube. I'm just going to crush it up here. Crush it up to, powder. We're going to use a Meyer lemon. I like Meyer lemons because they're not as bitter. They're a little more kind of a sweeter, mild taste. I don't want to take out took out the seeds, but might be one or two that are slip out. Use about a teaspoon of sriracha just to kind of give it a little kick. Mix it all up. You don't have to mix it up really good, just kind of break it up a little bit. Alright, so we're done with that. We're going to get a little bit of garlic.
Yeah, me too.
Get that going in the pan. We're going to get our rice. Put it in the pan. And basically the rice looks kind of opaque, so just want to pan fry it basically until it kind of turns a little bit translucent. So it takes about a couple minutes. I like using chicken stock instead of water. Just adds gives it that since we're making chicken rice. So you want to use about 2 cups. Get that ready. Alright, we're going to add a little pepper to that.
Here comes the hair pulling.
You could also make fried rice this way. Get some like teriyaki sauce, some soy sauce, a little bit of sriracha, and add a little green onion to it. And basically same steps, the chicken broth, and add your vegetables, add chicken to it. And you can just add the egg later. Alright, looks like we're kind of getting there. It's getting a little toasty here. Alright, so we're going to add our sauce here. Okay, I'm going to add my veggies in. And add my chicken. And then add my broth. I just want to basically just give it one good stir. And that's it, folks. You basically just want to let it boil. You got it at medium heat, and you basically don't want to stir it anymore. What happens if you stir it, basically you release the starches, and then you end up with a kind of sticky, pasty rice. So if you want it, kind of flaky, fluffy, just basically just leave it alone, and it'll boil all the way through the water. The water will boil out, and I'll show you the next step when it's done. Alright guys. Alright guys, it's been about 20 minutes, so we're back here. And as you can see, all the water has basically evaporated. There's still some water in there. You can hear it bubbling on the bottom. A lot of people usually the worry, having to stir it and stuff because they fear that it's going to burn. But like I said, I got it at medium heat, and basically if you just kind of move it just a little bit, you can see that all the water has basically evaporated. It's not sticking to the pan, it's not burned. You can still kind of hear the water. You can kind of see it right there bubbling still. So that's just the remaining water that's left. And so basically now, we're just gonna, best thing is to just kind of let it set, and we are ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heat, and then just let it set, for about 5-10 minutes before you serve, and get yourself some really, really good rice. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.